What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. So am I. That being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my KASPA Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with KASPA. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. Okay, first, before we do anything else, I apologize for yesterday. I couldn't upload the video yesterday. Like you guys know, I think I get the allergies because of when we change seasons. So we are having changing seasons, and I was like really like sinuses and all that stuff. That's why I could not upload the video. But as you can see today, I'm still a little bit under the weather, but it is a lot better, so I apologize for that. But yeah, we're about to check on the prices on the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 48 hours, and we're about to check on my positions and also look at the price on the assets that we are trading in this my millionaire journey, which are King, KASPA, Quant, and Jasmine. So that being said, guys, I get asked that a lot of the inboxes that I read yesterday was like, oh, are you still bullish on KASPA? Are you still bullish on Quant? Why are you so still bullish on these assets? Guys, I'm gonna tell you this, okay? There is no way I can be negative. I will say it again. I cannot be bearish on KASPA based on what everybody else is saying. Okay, put everything else in perspective, like I've said before. Back here. One, I believe KASPA is better than Bitcoin. That's number one. A lot of people argue that, okay, the market cap and this and that. Guys, Bitcoin has a almost 15 years head start on KASPA, and soon enough, once the ecosystem gets here, you will start seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, you don't have to believe me right now. It's just a matter of time, and you will see. That's number one. Number two, yes, Marathon Digital is selling. It's okay. I say it again. It's okay. They are a company. They have to make profits. They have to answer to the investors, which is okay for them to do. Which leads me to point number three. When you look at the prices of KASPA, okay, 10 cents has always been a very, very heavy support for KASPA. Therefore, today I was looking at it. You guys already know me. When I see when I see blood in the streets, I can't resist. I go. So yeah, when I saw the price today, I saw the price touching 10 cents today. Guys, unbelievable. When it did, I entered a trade. So on Margex, I had 3 trades before. Today I entered 2, and those 2 trades I'm trying to capture that wave up to probably 14 cents, or who knows, maybe this was a definite bottom and this is going to start to go up crazy. Okay, that is why I entered those 2 trades. But anyways, look at the market cap. Look at the market cap of KASPA right now. It's around $2.7 billion roughly. That's what it is. And then I go look on the exchanges. Almost 90% of everybody is shorting KASPA right now. 90% is shorting KASPA. And another thing you have to also put into consideration is like people are still expecting crypto to drop even more, because people are still expecting it to drop even more because the elections are here. People think it's going to happen, like, you know what, it's going to drop and then pump up. You know what it, that's how it has always happened in the past elections. And what I'm trying to tell guys is like, I think you are late to that party, because that pump then drop is what just happened. We just saw it happen, that the Bitcoin price went all the way up to $73,000. Okay, excuse me. Price went all the way to $73,000, dropped all the way down to 67 or 66,000 thereabout. That was the drop that everybody is expecting. So therefore, not just KASPA, Go look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin majority are shorting Bitcoin. They're expecting the price is going to drop. That's what everybody else is expecting. And you guys already know what the drill is. Market makers usually take the most money from the most people ever. You understand? So I'm going to look at, with you guys live, we are going to look at the liquidation map right quick, okay? Both on Bitcoin and on KASPA. And I'm telling you guys, this is something that if you make if you make your moves right now, okay, you are not going to regret it. You are going to be very, very happy you did this. Okay, excuse me, let me step outside a little bit because right now it's getting a little bit dark in the car. So yeah, that's exactly what we think is happening right now, and everybody else keeps everybody else keeps like crying all over it. Yeah, I know it's not a good thing to do. Like for you got to be able to see where the trend is. I don't like to wait for the market to confirm the price. I like to get in there before anything else happens. So yeah, looking at KASPA right now, I think we've bottomed. Okay, I will say it again. All the indicators, they are very, very oversold right now. And since I do not want to use money out of my pockets, I told you guys I took that gamble. I took 100,000 KASPAs, which I am trying to multiply, to use to multiply and get more out of my KASPA bags. Okay, for example, I'll give you the reason why I did it. I'll give you an example right now. Let's take out my calculator right quick. Okay, let's say 100,000 KASPA. Okay, if the price goes up to $1, I will get $100,000, right? But look at this. Let me go to my Margex right quick. Let me go to my Margex because that's where I have those trades at. Oh, excuse me, not this one. Get to my Margex right there. So yeah, as you can see, we still have there. I opened those two new ones today because, like I told you guys, I am trying to target the all-time high or something close to it. Make a quick money and probably invest to buy more KASPA. Anyways, now we just saw it. Okay, you're talking about $1 KASPA. With 100,000 KASPA, I would have just made just $100,000, right? But look at this. I have 3 different trades which I open using that 100,000 KASPAs, right? So if I go to the first one, excuse me, the first one is going to be this one right here. Okay, I'm down right now 40%, which is okay by me. But look at that. If you go to $1, this trade will make me $75,000. See that? That is just one trade. So next one, if we go to $1, this trade will make me $192,000. Okay, now we go to next one. Last but not the least, if we go to $1, this thing will make me another $192,000. So therefore, with 100,000 KASPA, I will be able to buy almost 300,000 KASPAs. You understand? That is the whole logic on it. And guys, what I'm talking about right now is that you can see the top price for KASPA. If KASPA doesn't do that good, it's going to be around $3 to $4. Okay, if you go to $4, this trade is going to make me 845,000. Okay, let's say $3. This is going to make me $628,000. Okay, now 100,000 KASPAs at $3 is $300,000. But I invested that 100,000. If you go to $3, I am going to have me almost $1.7 million. I can buy back my 100,000 KASPAs anytime I want to. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. That's what I'm doing. But anyways, now the new trades that I opened today, go back here. You can see I'm in profit in them like 18-19%, which is for me still not a big deal. What I want to do is capture the all-time high here. The all-time high, let's say 0.21, which will make me like $10,000. If you multiply that by 2, it's going to be $20,000. That's what I'm trying to do with these two new trades that I opened today. So Go back here where I was. As you can see, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. I am not bearish. In every situation, I try to find a positive thing about it. Now, the good thing is that I didn't get liquidated. Okay, that was pretty good because, like I told you guys, the strong support is right there at 10 cents on the KASPA, and it looks like we touched that, and we are back up again around 10.3 cents on the dollar right now. So yeah, everybody else is expecting the market to keep on crumbling, to keep on going down because of elections and stuff like that. And when I look at it, I think that price action that we are all expecting, okay, everybody was expecting the market to go and then come crumbling back down, has already happened, because Bitcoin came all the way down to 66 or 67,000, depending on what exchange you are looking at. Okay, now, if you think that KASPA is not that bullish, let's flip the angle a little bit. Martin Digital, they're still mining KASPA. Grayscale is still considering KASPA as a currency. Of all these layer ones available, they are only looking at KASPA. Now, the team has already leaked it out. Smart contracts are going to be here sooner than anybody think. And then you're also going to have the upgrade, the 10 BPS. KASPA right now is the fastest block alive, the fastest alive. Imagine when we go to 10 blocks per second. That is even more bullish. Another thing, again, you have to consider, look at the hash rate, the hash power for KASPA. If the project was dead, why is the hash rate going higher and higher? Many of these companies are also still considering the fact that even though the price action does not look good, this thing has a very high potential of making them rich. That's why I am staying on the side, and I'm telling you guys, excuse me, come on. That's why I'm telling you guys, my conviction is still there. I believe KASPA is going to $10. Okay, nothing will change that unless if the smart contract come out, the gigawatt stablecoin comes out, and then they are not living up to expectation. Then yeah, I will reconsider. But so far, looking at the market conditions, looking at what is coming up for this project, I think that KASPA can easily go to $10. And what you're looking at right now, go look at the charts. We hit 10 cents. This thing ran up to 18 cents. It was. We hit 10 cents again. This thing ran up to 22, almost 22 cents. So yeah, get ready. It's about to start. And don't forget, I told you guys 3 months. This is the last of the month that we're expecting. A lot of people talking about, again, election this, election that. Guys, election price action has been already accounted for. Now you're about to see the entire crypto market starts to move slowly, easily and slowly. You're about to start to see price action go crazy. Okay, now let's go look at the market right quick to see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay, so crypto bubbles right quick. Look at here, crypto bubbles. See, for the past hour, everything is beginning to catch up slowly, easily but slowly, because if you look on the day, everything was swimming red. Now for the past hour, looks like the market has beginning to give a hint of like, okay, I think everything is over with. It's time for us to start moving upwards. If you look at KASPA, KAS, for the past hour, we are down 0.49%, 4.2% down on the day, 13% down on the week, and now we have 30.6% down on the month, and we have 60.2% up on the year. We are running a market cap of $2.6 billion. And then look at this, the 24 hours volume. This is another sign that tells me that, okay, I think the price action is about to start taking off. Because if you remember, a couple days ago, the trading volume was over $100 million. Look at this right now. We are $60 million. So the trading volume has almost like decreased almost 50%. That's another thing you got to look at. Anyways, now let's continue on. Looking at Quant QNT right there. Quant, we are up 0.21% the past hour. 0.11% up on the day, 8% down on the week, 19.8% down on the month, 44.7% down on the year, with a market cap of $677 million and a trading volume of $11.86 million for the past 24 hours. That tells me again, if you look at that trading volume, if it's staying the same, it's like it's not even moving. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine, JAS. Okay, for Jasmine, we are up 0.14% in the past hour, 2.9% down on the day, 10.2% down on the week, 16.9% down on the month, and 288% up on the year, with a market cap of $807 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $34.5 million. So yeah, things are looking like, let me go back here. Things are looking fairly bullish to me. Okay, it looks like the whole market has had its fair signs of dropping, and now we're about to start going up. Very good thing to do. Again, go look at the liquidation maps. Okay, let's look at this right quick. That is even better to be done right now on CoinGlass. Where is my CoinGlass? Right there. Because I tell you guys, the market always takes money, the most money out of most people. Okay, if you look at liquidation maps, this one is going to bring out Bitcoin. This is the first thing I look at every time. For the past 24 hours, for the upcoming 24 hours, look, right there. See? They have 70, come on, I'm doing it on my phone. I can barely look at it, right? Come on. Right here, $78 million worth of shorts that could be liquidated. Okay, and if you go lower, they only got like what, six, yeah, there you go, 36 million. So yeah, you have to look at it this way, because like most people are not looking at it, they are not paying attention to it. If you even go higher, let's go a monthly, let it load up for us and you will see. Come on, let it load up. For some reason it's a little bit slow, but anyways, look at that. Okay, look at that. This is the price action you're looking at. There is more liquidation price action to be, like say $18 million up here, while down here you have $7 million. So where do you think the price is going to go? Now if you go look at the KASPA, that's one that I want you guys to pay attention to. KASPA, USDT. Let's look at first Binance. Okay, Binance right there, because I'm telling you guys, the price action that KASPA is having right now makes absolutely no sense at all. Okay, a lot of people are still like, well, it is going down to 8 cents, it's going down to 9 cents, and guys, 10 cents we touch that, bounce off it, and that is something that for me I think is a very, very bullish action about KASPA. Okay, so come on, let me do this right quick. It's still loading for some reason. I don't know why it's too slow today. Yeah, there you go. Look at that at 14 cents. Okay, look at the price action at 14 cents. Oh, come on, module 2 to be much more clear. Because that's what I tell you guys, like, you got to be paying attention to this. If you look at shorts versus longs, that gives you an idea where the price is going, and then you want to look at the price action between where we are and the prices above us. Okay, if you look right here, look at that. At 14 cents we have $110 million on Binance only. If you go down lower, at 9 cents we have $31 million. So that's another thing that you guys got to consider. If you look at the 24 hours, look at that 24 hours map. Come on, this thing is taking so much. Okay, now look at it at 10.1 cents. here we have $13 million, and going above that we have $8 million. So yeah, we have the possibility of the price going down at that 10 cents one more time, grab all that liquidity, and then get away from there for good. But anyways, that's what we've been looking at right now. Okay, but you guys already know the drill. Okay, it's not a matter of 24 hours. It's not a matter of just how many 12 hours. You got to look on the higher time frame, because the market makers, they are looking at it that way. Okay, they are trying to make the most amount of money from the market as possible. And when you look at it that way, yeah, you can tell that the market is about to take off. Okay, now let's go look at the short versus longs right quick. Let's go here, and I'll go back. Shorts versus long, right there. Shorts versus longs. Look at this. 53. If you look at the overall, okay, overall you can see that majority are shorting KASPA right now. Only 45%, which I am included, we are long positions on KASPA right now. That's something else that you can tell, and that's another thing that tells me that, okay, you know what, it looks like the market is about to reverse, at least bounce all the way up to probably 14 to 16 cents on a dollar, and then decide from there whether we want to come back down to 10 cents or probably take off and go from there. And don't forget, I always say it, KASPA moves different. KASPA does not move like anything else, because like when everything is going down, KASPA usually go up. And KASPA right now, I can't shake the feeling. KASPA is showing the signs of that, yeah, it's about to take off. Okay, anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick to see how good we are doing, whether we're doing good, bad, ugly, whatever you want to say. So now let's go first on my Bydfi. Again, before we do that, guys, I do not recommend leverage trading. If you do that, guys, you got to know what you're doing, because you can easily lose your money. Oh, these kids are playing. You can easily lose your money if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so below I do have the Bydfi and Phemex links. For me, I think those are the best exchanges ever, because they allow you to scale up your trades, and you can drop your liquidation point lower and lower as the market comes. Okay, that way you don't get liquidated. So anyways, now let's go look at my Bydfi first. Looking at here, we have here Bydfi. See, we've been here before. I told you guys. I'm down $6,000. We've been here before, and I've seen it before. So if you look at the contracts, well, see, KASPA is going up 10.4. This morning it was down 10.1. Anyways, look at that. On my KASPA trade, I am down 76%. Okay, I don't worry about it, because my liquidation is all the way down to 8 cents. Okay, right here. 8 cents. Once we start to get probably 9.5 cents, yeah, I might consider trying to scale it up or not. But for now, I don't care. And the reason why my positions move like this, guys, I trade at 50x. Do not trade like me. Don't do like me, or else you are going to lose your money unless you know what you're doing. The same thing goes to my quant. My quant, I am down 32%. Okay, and I'm not worried about it. Like I told you guys, my liquidation is way down to $34 right here. That's where it is. So anyways, now let's go look at my Phemex. Phemex right here. I gotta sign in. Sign in right quick. On my Phemex, you can see that I am down 8,400. The same situation with Bydfi. My contracts, if you look again, do not be like me, because I trade at 50x. Okay, I am very aggressive. I trade at 50x. Don't play like me. On my Jasmine, I am down 47%, which is 5,400. On my KASPA, I am down 46%. Okay, which is 3,700. That's what that one is. Again, I'm not worried about these positions. This because they do allow me to scale them up if I feel like my liquidation is almost there. Now let's go look at my margin. I know we've seen it before, but let's just take a quick look at it. Right here. Okay, now we go to my contracts and we go look at the trades right here. As you guys already know, today I opened a new two new trades which are up 23%. Okay, these two trades I'm planning to close them by the all-time high. Well, let's see how things go, but that's the way I'm trying to do that. 23%. So the old ones, the three ones, the old ones are sorry, I can't speak right now. The three previous ones, this one is down 37%, which is $700. The second one is down 46%, which is 1,900, and you can multiply that by 2 because I have these two the same trades. Again, guys, that is me. I try to do that. Talking to somebody on Margex, they told me that the only way I can reduce my liquidation point was by lowering down my leverage, which I don't like doing, but I have no choice but to do that. That's exactly what I did. But anyways, now you have it. Okay, those are the things. Like I said, I am targeting for these first two. I am targeting all-time high of KASPA. Let's say if I wait for it to do that at 21 cents, this will make me $10,000. Multiply that by 2, that is $20,000. That's what I'm targeting right now. And guys, this thing is about to rip. I can tell you that. I have a feeling that it's about to rip. The charts always say the same thing. If you look at the charts and look at everything, but right now, as you can see, due to these kids playing around here and there's a lot of noise, I have to wrap up these things very quick. So yeah, if you ask me one more time, I am still super bullish about KASPA. Price action right now is even making me more bullish. I always put my mouth where my money is. As a matter of fact, that's why I opened 2 more trades on KASPA, because I know that this price action is very, very bullish. Anyways, guys, now I want to know what you think. Do you think I'm crazy enough? Are you bearish on KASPA? Are you getting more, or are you just sitting on the sideline? I want to know down below. Please comment. I'll read all your comments. I'll try to reply to all your comments. And please don't also forget, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, okay? Share the video. That way other people like you and me can have can trade ideas, and the family can grow from there. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Until I see you my next time, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.